Welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we're back on the shed. You saw we got the white and how we did it. Now we're going to be using CABOT. We're using a dark gray. It is the solid color, so it'll hide all the extra white we put up here, and it'll hide all these marks. So we're going to get started. First thing we're going to do, open the can and get it stirred. Since we have a lot of ladder work, we added this little container to pour paint into. We've got a brush, fairly large brush, but that'd be good for our siding. Piece of dirt. What happens if you take too long from where you wash to when you paint? But there we go. We got our cardboard down so we don't spill. Let's get it open and get started. Yeah, our server helps. Get source server get this bill out here. Well, actually, start to see swirl or anything. It's very good. See, start to really pour some off in the middle here. Take a brush. It's a real hot day. Put the can lid on a little bit. That'll help you make it good. What we're gonna do, give you an idea here. Get a little paint on the brush and gonna work it like right up to the edge here like this. You can see kind of work it in there. Cut right on the edge. Then you want to make sure you work your stain in when you do this. It's not paint. You can't just go like this. You have to kind of work it in a little bit. And we just keep going down here. Again, you can see you got to work it in. If you don't work it in, you're going to see all these spots later where you didn't get it into all the wood grain and everything. You got to work it in. Just come on in though. Get the other side. Do the same thing here. Nice and cut it really nice. Make sure to work on it. That's how we're going to do it. When we get down to those lights, when we get over by them, we'll take them away and paint. And then that'll be good. Don't forget to like and subscribe here. Post notifications on. Hey, we appreciate it. We'll put links to tools and such in Amazon. You shop Amazon, you support the channel. We really appreciate the help. So I'm going to get started. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Post notifications on. Hey, thanks for watching my two good hands in the shed makeover. We still got our eagle to put up and our barn star and what have you, but we'll get all that up. Not a problem. But hey, here we are. It's done. It's complete. We'll give you a walk around here real quick. It's still dry, and so there are some blotchy spots. But hey, don't forget, use the Amazon links to shop. It does help support this channel, and we greatly appreciate it. Thanks a bunch. So here we are with this shed all done, so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. You can see how we cut the edges, so we get the little white edge showing by the siding here. You can kind of see when we zoom in here how that looks. Remember how we did that? That was the easy way to do it. She looks real nice, and we are ready to go, and we're all sealed up for winter. So don't forget, like, subscribe.